Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up Instagram shopping on Shopify. Now open your Shopify page. As what you can see there are options like home and then choose apps and then type down Instagram. And there you can see the App Store in Shopify. You just need to type down Instagram there. And after that one, you can see here some third-party tools on how are you going to set up your or connect your Instagram to Shopify. So in this case, we will use Facebook and Instagram because both of the two applications are managed by Meta. Right, so now you're going to connect that one, just follow the steps. And now let's go back to your Shopify homepage and let's try to see if it is connected. Just click on settings and browse down, click on apps and sales channels, and there you can see if it is successfully connected.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.